Hi everyone, welcome to Amy's Cooking. Today we are making Vietnamese chicken wings, also known as Chien Nuoc. It is a very simple recipe, but super addicting. If you like this video, please subscribe below. And if you're already a subscriber, I thank you very much. So let's get started with our recipe. Okay, for this recipe, we'll need garlic, lime, ground black pepper, fish sauce, shallot, chili pepper, flour, optional. Okay, let's cut up everything so we can add it to the chicken wings. We'll need to marinate the wings for at least 30 minutes. Much better if you leave it longer. So your garlic needs to mince up very small. Remove the tips of the shallots and then take off the outer skin. Slice into thin pieces and then chop it up very finely as well. Do the same for the chili pepper. Chili pepper are pretty spicy. These are homegrown actually, and they are very spicy. So I'm only using 2 in my recipe for today, but you can use as many as you like, depending on how spicy you like your wings. Cut up your scallion into small pieces. For the scallion, I like to use the leafy part. It marinates better and it sticks to the chicken well, so when you go to fry it, it doesn't fall off. Splitting your wings into the drumettes and the flaps makes frying easier. It's going to give you a more evenly golden brown skin. You can buy these that are already separated. I just couldn't find any, so I got these instead. Time to marinate. Add the fish sauce, the chopped garlic, the chopped shallots, your black ground pepper, the chili pepper. Squeeze in half of a lime. Add the scallions as well and mix everything up. Once you mix it well, leave it for about 30 minutes. The longer you leave it, the better, because the marinades will soak into the chicken wings. If you don't have time, 30 minutes should do. Here I'm transferring the marinated wings to a new bowl. I don't want all of that marinades. When you add the flour, if you use the same bowl, it's going to make your wings very heavily coated with the flour. Just lightly floured is good enough. And if any of you are worried about calories, you can skip this step completely. You don't have to add the flour. The wings will still come out very crispy and taste just the same. Add just enough oil to cover your wings. You don't need more than that. Check the temperature of the oil before you add the wings. Make sure that it's sizzling before you add it. That way your skin will be a lot crispier and it doesn't stick to the pan. Leave it on one side all the way until it's somewhat golden before you turn it onto the other side. This is going to take a little bit of time for the wings to brown evenly, and you do want to put it on medium heat You can do high heat, but just adjust it if you feel like the skin is browning too quickly. The longer you leave it in there, the crispier it's going to be. But again, you don't want to leave it too long either. If you do, then the wings is going to be very dry. Look at this wing. It looks so beautiful. It is very evenly golden and it looks very crispy. Let's make our dipping sauce. We're going to add fish sauce, water, sugar, chopped garlic, chopped sweet pepper, squeeze in half of a lime, and you're going to whisk everything together well. The chicken already tastes great, but with this dipping sauce, it just makes it so much more delicious. Once everything is combined, we're going to cook this sauce. Yes, we are cooking fish sauce, so please make sure you turn on the fan. Add a little bit of cooking oil, and on medium heat, we're going to reduce the sauce for about 5 minutes. To help it thicken a little bit more, we're going to add some cornstarch. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 teaspoon of water and pour it into the sauce. Whisk it well. Leave it for another 1 to 2 minutes and the sauce should be done. Look at this sauce. Oh, so delicious. It is perfect as a dipping sauce. It's just thick enough, the right consistency for you to dip your wings in, and it's not runny at all. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Here is the wings that we made with the flour, and this is the version that I made without adding the flour to it. They both taste absolutely amazing. It doesn't really change the texture very much. I mean, the one with the flour on it, it's a little bit more crispy than the one without, but the taste is still so addicting and exactly the same. So either way you go, you can't be wrong. If you like this video, again, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I really appreciate you watching.